Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and healthy breakfast, that is Oats Idli with yummy peanut chutney. And this peanut chutney is quick to make and Oats Idli is super healthy and tasty to kickstart your day. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहते देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. To start with the recipe, in a pan take 1 cup of oats. Roast the oats till they turn aromatic. Allow them to cool down and then blend into a powder. To that add half cup of suji. Now let's prepare a tadka. In a pan take 1 teaspoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 6 to 8 curry leaves and saute for a few seconds. Then add 2 chopped green chillies and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Saute for a minute and then add this tadka to the oat suji mixture. To that add half cup of curd, half cup of water, half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything well. Add 1 cup of water more and mix well. Cover and rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the chutney. In a blender jar, take half cup of roasted chana dal, 1/3 cup of roasted peanuts, 1/4 cup of curd, 1 green chilli and half inch of ginger. Blend to make a paste. Transfer it to a bowl. Now let's prepare a tadka for the chutney. Also add half teaspoon of salt to the chutney. For the tadka, in a pan heat 1 teaspoon of mustard oil. To that add half teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of mustard, 4 to 5 curry leaves and 2 dried red chillies. After everything splutters, add it to the chutney. Mix the tadka with the chutney and our quick and easy peanut chutney is ready. Our batter is well rested now, it has thickened up. Add few chopped coriander leaves and give it a mix. If the batter seems too thick, add 1/4 cup of water and mix well. Finally, add 1 packet of Eno fruit salt. Gently mix. Do not overmix it. Idli batter is ready now. Fill the idli batter in greased idli mold. Do not overfill it. Place the idli plates in hot steamer. Cover and let it steam for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 12 minutes, our idlis are perfectly cooked now. Allow them to cool down a little. And then remove the idlis using a spoon. See how soft our idlis have turned out. You can never believe that we have made it with oats. So our tasty and healthy oats idli are perfect for breakfast. And this meal is perfect to kickstart your day. And these idlis go so well with this yummy peanut chutney. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.